Welcome back. In the last video, I left you with a challenge to add some explosions to your shooting enemy and to your player. Right now, the player the orange enemy is the only one with explosions. The player and the shooting enemy are the only ones with thrusters. Hopefully you guys copied the thrusters over to the orange enemy. So let's dive into how to work that challenge out. So first things first, let's open up our script and our base enemy script. Something to really note here is in the last video, I only had you put it under the if compare tag laser to instantiate the explosion. In between videos, I copied that over into this else if check for if the tag is the player. I also have it instantiating the prefab for the explosion if the player collides with the enemy. So there's that. Now, in order to do the shooting enemy, it's really easy. We're just copying things over, right? So we're going to copy over our header and our reference. Really, for both of these, it's going to be the same. So we're going to paste that into here, just like that. And then we're going to copy that line there, and we're going to add it down here into our on trigger. We're going to add it right here in our if health is less than or equal to 0. We're also going to add it here right above our destroy this game object, and press save. So for our player, it's really going to be about the same. Let's go ahead and copy that line. We're going to come down here, look for your damage. It's going to be our damage method, and under here in this if lives is less than 1 check, we're going to come down here to the bottom of that and just paste that right above destroy this game object. And then we have this explosion prefab there. It's red because we need a reference to it. And we can just take this, press Control C to copy, paste it up here, and let's see. Let's just put it under. We'll put it under its own thing. We'll just leave the visuals there, and then press Control C or Control S, I mean, to save it. Now let's go back to our game, and we gotta connect it all up. So we got our player, we gotta add our explosion prefab too. And we'll override that to apply it. Let's find our shooting enemy. We can just do that from our prefab, so we don't have to drag it in. We can just grab this, drop it off right there. We'll hit Control S real quick and test it out. There's the explosion. Let's see here. There's the explosion. So if you wanted to take the and add a thruster to the enemy, it's gonna be the same way that we did it in the last video for the shooting enemy. Just drag it on top of there. And let's see here, we're gonna move it over here to where the enemy is. We're gonna make it a positive 90, and then we're just gonna go to overrides and then apply, and there you go. Now if we press play, orange enemies, player, shooting enemies all have little trails following behind them. Here comes the shooting enemy with his. Eventually, an orange player. There he is. All right, there's the. It's like, where are my base enemies? They were not spawning, but there they are. I didn't change the color, but it's all right. Doesn't matter. It has it. Go ahead and press Control S, and in the next video, we're going to get into the audio and sound effects. So keep learning, keep building. I'll see you in the next one.